Hello everyone, welcome to the American Jedi channel. I got this little box here on top of Halo's Alcatraz cage. Anyways, I purchased the ChargePoint Plus ChargePoint Home Flex. So for you guys that are not familiar with electric vehicle charging, ChargePoint is a network of chargers across the United States, I believe. I don't know if they're around the world or not, but it's a pay per use charger. Usually they're level 2 chargers. I think they might have some level 3s, but they're level 2 chargers like this. And this actually can charge up to 50 amps max power, and that'll get you about 37 miles per hour charging. So you come home, plug in your car, it's ready to go the next day or in a few hours, depending on how much charge you have. This is the NEMA 1450 plug. So you can see here, it's just your standard 240 volt. It'll plug into that. And I'm not sure, I think you just plug it into the socket and hang it next to your socket in the garage or whatever, if your garage is wired for 240, or it can also be installed outdoors. So that's a nice little feature that it has, indoor outdoor charging station. And under here in the boxy box, tuck that back, you have the actual charging cable, so you can see here, and this will need to be wired in, I'm guessing, to this spot here. And then that's your standard J1172, I think is the right nomenclature for that plug, but it's your standard electric vehicle plug. And yeah, I'm pretty stoked about it. Electrician's coming tomorrow to install it, and I will do a review video once it's installed and plug it into the Polestar and show how it all works. All right, I just wanted to show you guys a quick unboxing. I bought this on Amazon. It is Amazon's best-selling home charging station for EVs. Right now it's currently running $749, a little over $800 out the door with tax, depending on your state. So all right guys, thank you for watching. Take care.